I came to check on my farm today. It's harvesting time. So this is the result of what we had the other time. We have, oh, look at our palm nuts. It's getting red, it's getting bad already. Oh. What I'll be harvesting is just the maize. Just the maize. Like this, our groundnut is not yet ready. So only the maize for today. Though it's getting dry already. I need more of this. I need more of you. That's our spinach. That's egusi. You can see it. That's egusi. The corn is dry already. I wasn't expecting this. I thought it's going to be fresh. Oh, this one is big. I was expecting it to be more fresher than this. As you can see, that is it. The same. Nika. Banga estaba famoso acá. Nika ako banga estaba che. So that is it. They can say co. They can say na Jojo. Our cocoyam, the cocoyam is not that bad either. That's cocoyam for you. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. So tell me where you're watching from. Where are you watching from? Which country are you watching from? I'm streaming all the way from Cameroon. Welcome to my farm. Subscribe to my channel for more. Subscribe for more. And more and more and more. Let's keep on harvesting our maize. Let's keep on harvesting our maize. You know, it is really dry, so I'm just selecting. I'm going for the one that is still fresh, because most of it is already dry. Most of it is already dry. Our spinach, our egusi is there as well. Though it is not that big, but it's not bad either. Can you see? There's some ones that are bigger. Some ones are bigger. What is good about agriculture or farming is that you won't lack your own. Even if it's not that good, at least you have something. You see, you are going to have something. You cannot just lack completely. So I encourage you, do your farming. If you have space, don't minimize, don't underestimate it. Just do something with space. Don't minimize any space you have. Like this type, I will not be harvesting this. You see, it's almost dry. I'll allow these ones. They're almost dry. I just need something that's a bit fresher so I can boil, I can cook. I was not expecting it to be this dry though. I thought it's going to be fresh. I thought it was going to be fresher than this. Unfortunately, it is dry already, so we just do with it. There's so much bush here. The grass here is much. You can see me sweating. The sun is pretty hot. Please subscribe to my channel. Encourage this channel with a sub. Like this video. Tell me where you're watching from. Which country are you watching from? Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? Subscribe to my channel for more, please. Encourage me with a sub, please. I need to go to the other parts. This is our granite. Granite or peanut. You can call it peanut, granite, depending on how you identify it. This one is still fresh. It's still fresh up here. It's still fresh here. I just want a fresh one. No, most of it is getting dry already. I just want something that is still fresh. Yeah. So I can boil. I'll be boiling. It's another fresh one. Double tap, subscribe, like this video, support this channel with a sub, comment. I want to go this way. Too much grass. In a week's time, we'll come to this place to harvest our granite. In just a week's time, we'll be coming here to harvest. I tried one to see how it is. We'll be coming here to harvest. Can you see that? It is there. Though it's still small. It's not that strong. So I'm going to give it a week again before we come here to harvest it. In a week's time. For today, we are only taking home our fresh maize. It's pretty hot. The sun is hot. Can you see this? The sun is hot. See me sweating. The sun is pretty hot though. It's not easy. Nothing good comes easy. Nothing good comes easy. So in every situation you find yourself, if you have a space, you can do your family. Look at me today, I'll be eating my fresh corn. This is my granite. That's egusi. Small. Not that much, but it's not small as well. So if you have your space, make sure to use it well. Make sure to use it well. So you need to scratch it to remove it completely, and after this we're going to grind it. We do the same thing until all is done. And we are going to be grinding it. So this is the corn. That is what we are going to have. We are going to be grinding it now. You need to select all this. I'm going to blend. I'm going to grind. Since it's a bit hard, I will not be using my blender. So we are going to grind it the machine. Just make sure to pick out all this feeders. We are good to go. I'll equally be slicing this. This is fresh. It's a leaf. And cocoyam leaves. We'll equally slice and add this here like vegetables. Like vegetable. So there we go. That's our veggie. Like I said, this is sweet bitter leaf mixed with cocoyam leaf. We'll add inside the mixture and mix thoroughly. Mix everything together. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And tell me in the comment section where you're watching from. Have you tried this once? This is Koki made from corn, fresh corn. Fresh corn harvested from our farm. Now I'll be adding palm oil. Palm oil. And we mix again until we have a uniform color. Then we are going to start tying them in our leaves. Share the video. Share. Encourage this channel with a share. Mix well. If it's a bit strong, you can add a little bit of water. So that's small water. Add water and we mix again. I'll be adding more palm oil. You see, as we are mixing, the oil is disappearing. So add more palm oil to it. Mix until the paste is okay. Right.